After we do a lot of intricate plumbing, we feel drained. But duty calls, and sometimes our basement drain needs a flush. So today, Corey's going to show us how we can get rid of the sewer smell in our house. I'm Danielle, and welcome to De-cor Homes.
Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes. In today's project, we're dealing with sewer gases that are rising up from a basement floor drain. This floor drain has a P-trap, so the water goes down, and in this P-trap, it actually holds the water. So the water, it remains inside this P-trap, and it actually seals the hole from the sewer gases and from the front, which is our house. In this situation, we have a floor drain where the water is actually evaporating from the floor drain because it's never in use. We're walking downstairs one day and we just happen to smell this like sewage gas smell. And right away this has to be dealt with. So after discussing the purpose of a P-trap is to keep the sewer gases out from your house. Once the P-trap evaporates over a couple of months, 4, 5, 6 months, now that water's completely gone. Well, now there's no barrier that's holding the sewer gases from going into your house. So now this could cause hydrogen sulfide poisoning. Minor exposure could lead to headaches, scratchy eyes, kind of shortness of breath, drowsiness, dizziness, and overall you're just walking around and smelling like as if someone just went to the bathroom in your house. It's not healthy. It's body waste. So this is a really easy fix. All you have to do is fill up a bucket and pour it down. So simple enough, right? Let's do it. Miraculously, we're upstairs and we're filling up hot water. We put a mixture of hot water and a bleach solution, okay? I just chose this Vim. It's what I had close by. Pour some in. Fill up the bucket. Okay, now that we have the bucket approximately 3/4 full, lift it out. Don't drag it out, okay? If you try to pull it from the handle, you might actually scratch someone's sink. So you lift it out. And yeah, that's what you get. Okay, so let's take this downstairs. Okay. So now, like always, you got your drop sheets. I always like these. I think these are 4x12. They're like a cotton blend drop sheet. It's a painting drop sheet, but they're pretty handy. And you can wash them. So I always take these guys, I shake them outside, get all the dust off, and then I wash them every single time I use them so that my drop sheet is not messing up anyone's house. So here, we have a floor drain that just pops out. Okay, I thought I would need my keys or something. Okay, so now I have my water bleach mix, okay? So the idea is that we have a 4-inch drain pipe, okay? The 4-inch drain pipe actually holds quite a bit. So imagine a P-trap, a giant U, but it's 4 inches wide, okay? So you need enough water to flush that out. So that's why we fill 3/4 of a bucket full and we really pour, okay? So make sure you protect everything else so that you don't have any water damaging any baseboards or anything like that. And yeah, here it goes. Very simple solution to a big problem. 1, 2, 3. So one thing that's really critical is as you're pouring, you have to make sure that the water is actually pouring down. You might have a sewage smell coming up because you might not have a dry P-trap, but rather a clogged drain. Okay? If you have a clogged drain, this might also give you that sewage smell because it's literally waiting to burst out from the seams. So here we got this. We push all that in. Wasn't too bad. Yeah, I missed a little bit, but that's a fairly clean floor. We'll take just a cheap beater towel just to wash around it, or just to dry up around. And wow, already within seconds, that smell, it's not completely gone. It's dissipated quite a bit, but like big difference. So if you're ever having an issue with a floor drain, or at least a bad sewage smell coming from your floor drain, fill up a bucket of water, put in some bleach, pour it in, make sure it's not coming up. Once you see that the water is still pushing down, then continue pouring in. Hot water is also really important so that it can loosen up any blockages that might be inside the drain as well. Okay, so if you have any other questions, or if there's any projects that you need help getting through, let us know in the comments section. And I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.
I feel like you still have some learning to do. So check out this video and don't forget to subscribe.